weather expert, Chief Meteorologist Sean Stiles. I gotta say, I see that big old smile on your face, my friend. I'm jealous, but I see that snow plow too.
It's, you know, Kirsten, I love this kind of weather. You know, that's why I'm a meteorologist. I love to be in the weather. I love to see it and feel it. And I'll tell you, a couple days ago, we were really feeling the weather up here as a major winter storm that brought those huge waves to Southern California, brought major snow to the central and northern Sierra Nevada. As we take a look at some of this video here, it is absolutely incredible, the snow that fell in just 3 days up here. And really, it was over a 3-day period, but actually in about 40 hours, over 37 inches of snow came, and as quickly as it came in, it left. And I'll tell you, talk about some fantastic conditions up here in the central Sierra Nevada at Mammoth Mountain. In fact, the entire West is seeing incredible snow this time of year. The skiing, very, very good. The snowboarding, even better. For the deep powder, those snowboarders, you know what I'm talking about. And today was equally as nice. Another storm plowing in here, and that's expected to start overnight into tomorrow. And then they have a winter storm warning from Sunday afternoon all the way through Monday afternoon. Keep your fingers crossed that I can get out of here and get back into Southern California. Let's take you to sunny Southern California, where it is a beautiful evening with the temperature at 60 degrees right now and a very, very mild breeze out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour. So you get the best of both here in California. You get incredible snow and incredible sunny, warm weather along the coastline. Our daytime high was 67. Surf-wise, it's still big out there by most people's consideration. However, nowhere near as big as it was just a couple days ago. The epic swell that came into Southern California, some are calling it the biggest surf since 2005. Tomorrow we're forecasting waves in the, say, 4 to 6 foot range. Tide low in the early mid-morning and then pushing in throughout the afternoon. So some big waves crashing up over the seawall in the children's pool area. That's quite a sight to see, and if you've never seen that, I highly recommend going down and checking that out. And the water temperature at 57 degrees, so you're going to need your booties. Hopefully Santa brought you some booties. All right, let's look at what's happening in the atmosphere storm-wise. Our computer models as we look at the big picture. As you can see, Southern California looking very, very nice, but as we put this map into motion, you can see how the storms start to impact the west coast again, and this is all associated with an atmospheric river. Now, not nearly as dynamic as the last one we saw. There's another one coming after that. But this storm plows into central California, and that's going to bring the blizzard into the Mammoth area. It'll take some time before the moisture makes its way into Southern California, and as we advance the map and take a look at where we're going to be, you'll see the moisture moves through San Diego. We get a shot of rain on Tuesday, nowhere as big as what we saw, but still more rain coming into Southern California. And as we move through and look at the latter part of the week, another storm making its way in. Heavy snow expected here in the central Sierra Nevada on Thursday, but it'll impact us by, say, Saturday and Sunday. Look at these snowfall totals as we advance the frame here. Mammoth Mountain, a subtle snow pack of 130. However, on the top of the mountain, they're talking about 175 inches. The Palisades up in the Tahoe area, 102. Snowbird, Utah, 109. And it's kind of funny to say that we're looking at 72 inches, and that's not that much compared to everyone else at Jackson. Look at the 8-day microclimate forecast, and we'll put that into motion. Coastline, you'll see some chance of rain coming back into our forecast and some thunderstorms, as there'll be some very dynamic things coming together along the coastline, and then rain again on Saturday and Sunday. For you folks in the mountains and deserts, again for you, more rain and possibly snow at the highest elevations on Tuesday, and then again on Saturday and Sunday. So Kirsten, right now we're just trying to stay warm and keep all the equipment working. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
Oh, stay warm out there, Sean, and have fun and drive safely. We'll see you soon.